Hi guys, today I'm doing a video review on a product that was sent to me by a company called Young Hair, and they've got a men's range called Dadude, and they actually have like a hair mud kind of thing, like a hair wax, and they also have this hairspray, and it's called like Da Hairspray, and you know, the hair wax, like they've got everything starts with Da, and then it's like the name of the product. So they reached out to me and said, would you like to do a review on my product? So I said, yeah, sure. I sent them my business address. And they sent this lovely full-size spray. And you know, if you're like me, like you've got like really flat, kind of like, you know, lackluster, lack body hair. Like my hairs are so flat, I don't know what to do with it. Like, you know, like I see a lot of people with curly hair, and I just, you know, I wish that my hair had a bit more body and volume. Like, it's just, my hair's just so like flat, like I just don't know what to do with it. Like I hate having straight hair, it's just so annoying. So they sent me this hairspray, and I watched a few videos on YouTube. There's a lot of black people doing these amazing styles, like heatless styles, and there's something I discovered called Bantu knots. And what you basically do is you just get some hair, and then you'd use some product, and then what you do is you like to keep twisting hair round and round until it goes into a ball, and then that is called a Bantu knot. And then you can either like blow dry it, or you can just leave it to air dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this before bed and let it air dry. So what the company says is that when you get the spray, you just get a section of hair and you just lightly spray your hair, and don't spray it too close. So just kind of, you know, have a nice distance, just lightly spray it, and make sure your hair is clean and it's dry, okay? And then what the tutorial said about doing Bantu knots, I'll just show you. So you just keep twisting your hair round and round. So I'm gonna basically do this with the hairspray, and I'm gonna see how it turns out. So I'm just twisting it round and round and round. It's really easy. The spray, it feels a little bit sticky, but it's not like tacky. So I actually like that, because I don't really use hairsprays in my hair. I've never really known how to, or you know, I just didn't think it would do anything for my hair because it's just so like flat and thin, and you know. So I'm gonna do these all over my head. I'm probably gonna do about 20 or 30. Because they said it's best to do more, like to get like more definition, and I'll come back when it's all done, and then I'll show you the results the next day, okay? Now my hair is finished, and it's staying in place. I don't need to add any hairbands to keep it locked. So it could probably like air dry within half an hour, but I'm not going to take it down now because I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to take it down in the morning and show you the curls. So hi guys, it's the next morning, and I'm just gonna take these mini buns down and see if my hair's like curly and bouncy and beach wave, you know, soft tousled waves, and hopefully there's no white flakes, and hopefully, you know, there's just so many things that can go wrong. So yeah, these are very easy to take down. So far the hair doesn't feel like crunchy or crispy. You just slide them open, basically. It's very easy to take them down. Okay, so once you've taken them all down, you don't just want to go out like that. You want to then separate them, and then just kind of like style it how you want it to hang down, okay? So hi guys, I'm back, and this is the final result. It feels very light, it smells very pleasant, it smells like I just come from a salon, really. It just smells really good. It's not crunchy or hard or anything like that. It feels soft to the touch. And then just, you know, spray a little bit on, leave it to dry, take it down, and then, you know, you can have that soft hair, that kind of curly hair, without causing damage. Like, you just use some hairspray. So definitely, like, the hairspray, this has been a positive review. Like, I'm really glad that Angelica Young sent me this, and basically I'm going to do a giveaway. So basically you have to do a couple of things in order to win. There's going to be 2 people who can win a product from this brand, okay? So if you win the competition or the giveaway, then I will literally inbox you a code and you'll use that code to choose a product on their website. So to enter the competition, 1, you have to write enter me in the comments, and 2, you have to be subscribed, okay? And 3, what should I make the 3rd thing that you need to do? You have to tell me what was or what used to be my hair length goal, okay? So 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel, okay, because I will be checking. And 2, you have to write enter me. And 3, you need to write what my hair length goal used to be. Okay, so giveaway time, right? And it's an international competition as well, because the company will be sending you the product, not me. So anyone can enter, doesn't matter where you are, to win some Da Hair products from Dadude, okay? And even if you're a woman, I mean, I'm sure you can still use it as well, because hair is hair, right? So yeah, Da Hair, Dadude. I've got that California, Sydney kind of opera house hair going on. So yeah, giveaway time, competition time, hair laid and slayed, serving that life. So yeah, this is the results of the I done a Bantu knot out with some hairspray. Oh my god. What? The hairspray. 992 the hairspray. Wait. Young hair. Wait. 992 the hairspray. Wait. Sweden. Come on. Wait. 992. Okay, so the competition ends the Sunday, the 20th of August. So basically, this is a competition that's running for 1 week. And also, if you win, I would like you to do a video response when you receive the product. So when I say video response, I mean, you know, you put like Afro Hair Addictions competition, the hairspray. You don't have to show your face. You could just record a quick video of the product, or you can even do a review yourself mentioning my channel's name in the description box. And that's it, 'cause it helps promote my channel, etc. And obviously it helps the company because they're a small company, and you know, it's nice to help each other out. Till.